Guys, good morning. We're out here at our customization shop in Douglas, Georgia. I'm Lane Morgan, the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and this is my VIP sales rep, the MVP, Garrett McBride. We wanted to do a video this morning, and we want to give a shout out to Mr. David Gillespie. This barbecue trailer is heading to Red Banks, New Jersey. And listen, guys, you want to check this place out. If you're in that area, he's got a catering business, a barbecue business, Smoking 55.
Smoking 55 barbecue.
Smoking 55 barbecue. Man, we've tried his sauce. He sent some down here to South Georgia. It blew our minds. So if you're in that area, stop by and check out David Gillespie at Smoking 55 Barbecue. I promise you, you'll never taste a sauce that'll make your mouth water like that, son. It is delicious. But he's built this 22-foot barbecue trailer here at Renown Cargo Trailers. Garrett was a sales rep. We've been out here this morning. One thing that I love about Garrett, if you're interested in a trailer, man, he's gonna walk you through the process and make your buying experience so completely easy for you. He was out here this morning going the extra mile, turning all the equipment on. He had Sammy out here who runs our option shop over here that does all our customization work, does a phenomenal job. They just don't do trailers, they do restaurants. So they've got this business figured out inside and out. But Garrett came out. What I love about him is he goes the extra mile. He's doing a video with the customer when I pull up, showing him how everything works, walking him through the steps, lighting pilots for him, showing him the refrigerator working, the proofer, running the propane, turning on the generator. Nobody else in the trailer business is going to go as far as we do, is giving you a great experience in buying a trailer at Renown Cargo Trailers. So guys, thanks for watching our videos, but we're going to show you this amazing trailer, and I'm going to let Garrett walk through it. He's way more familiar with the trailer than I am. But David, we appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. I will be up in New Jersey in about 7 months from now, right after the first of next year. So I'm gonna stop in and see you. But guys, if you're in that area, be sure to check out Smoking 55 Barbecue.
Hey guys, listen, I'm Garrett. Like Lane said, part of our job is to make you feel comfortable buying your trailer. And if it's that extra mile that we need to do, we don't mind doing it. David's a long way from us. He trusts us to build the trailer. We just wanted to show him that we stood behind what we said. We're going to show him everything works. Before the trailer hits the road, we're going to deliver this thing in New Jersey Wednesday. So Red Bank, be excited. David's on the way. But like Lane said, we got an 8.5 by 22. On the front of it, we got a propane package. That's going to run the stove on the inside as well as this big daggum generator. It's a 16,000 watt inverter, push button start. So this thing will power anything. It's got two 50 amp plugs on there. Push button start. It's a dual fuel, so you can run it off standard gasoline or LP gas. 50 amp motor base plug. But what's on the inside is what's going to set David apart from everybody else. He's got the standard 3-compartment sink and the hand wash sink. That way, guys, he's able to wash his dishes, wash his hands, turn around, prepare food, and get you guys on the road with some great tasting barbecue. Got plenty of stainless steel workspace right here. 3x5 window screens and glass, so when it's hot, you can let the screen down so the bugs don't come in. The glass obviously keeps your cold air in. David's got a big 15,000 BTU air conditioner up here. It's got some heat strips in it, so his staff's gonna stay nice and cool, nice and warm, whatever the case may be in the New Jersey summers and the New Jersey winters. We got a refrigerator right here for all of his cold items and a 36 pan proofer. So once the food's cooked, he can put it in here and it stays warm, stays fresh for you guys. You don't have to worry about eating cold, stale food. We put him a 4-burner propane stove in. This is a commercial grade. It's a Cooper Beach, top of the line product. It's got the single door oven at the bottom of it, so he can cook your potatoes, cook your bread, whatever he needs to do to get it ready. 4-foot hood. It's got the stack on top, the light. David's got fire suppression in this thing as well. So this is where the magic's going to happen. On the 8-foot porch, this is where he's going to put his grills. He's got plenty of ventilation on the back for this thing. That way the smoke gets out. He's able to cook and the staff be comfortable and out of the weather too. But like Lane said, guys, if you need us, if you're interested in a customized concession trailer, give us a call at Renown Cargo. We love to help you.
Guys, thanks again for watching our videos. We look forward to earning your business next. And if you need us for anything, give us a call at 888-287-3954. We've got 12 sales reps that are so knowledgeable about the trailer industry that can answer any of your questions. And if they can't, we'll find somebody who can. But I feel very confident they can find out anything you need to know about trailers. And guys, thanks again. We look forward to seeing y'all soon. Check us out online at renowncargotrailers.com. We look forward to seeing y'all soon, guys. Be blessed.